Each year, Aldi gets AIRFIX to make some kits specially for them and sell them in store for under £7. They've done it again this year. Find out what kits are on offer right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Now, each year Aldi tells AIRFIX it would like some kits for AIRFIX to make. AIRFIX get them made, get them imported, and they're sold in store for just under £7 each. Now, each of these is a gift set. So it comes with some glue, a paintbrush, and 4 pots of water-based acrylic paints. It's everything you need in a box. Experience from the last few years tells us that some of these kits are going to sell out really quickly. They are available in store at Aldi from Thursday, 23rd of November, so get there quick. These are the kits they have on offer this year. First up is the perennial favourite, the Supermarine Spitfire. Now, an old version of this was the very first kit I made when I was about 6 years old. This modern version was the first kit I made coming back to the hobby when I was closer to 56 years old. It's simple to assemble and makes a lovely model of a beautiful aeroplane. Another fighter is this Curtiss Tomahawk, an American plane flown by the Royal Air Force. I can tell you this is a very, very good kit indeed. Then there's this little Jet Provost, a 2-seat jet training aircraft. It's probably the simplest of the aeroplanes to make and is in the colours of the Pelicans, the RAF display team that preceded the Red Arrows. Back on terra firma is this Cromwell tank. This was the fastest tank used by the British Army in World War II and it entered service around D-Day. Construction of the kit is made much easier by using single-piece flexible tracks. And evoking the golden age of sail is this model of the Cutty Sark, the T-clipper that for 10 years also held the record for the quickest journey from Australia to England. Cutty Sark is now preserved as an excellent museum ship at Greenwich in southeast London. There we go. I must admit I'm tempted to go and grab a Tomahawk and a Cromwell tank for myself. These kits are brilliant for people who've never done anything before. They're all skill level 1. They can be made straight from the box with the glue and paint provided. However, they can also be used by more experienced modelers to try out new techniques and new things. I've constantly hear people saying, I want to try out this type of weathering, or I want to try out panel line washing or pre-shading. These are $6.99 each. It's great. Some of these kits are really good. The Tomahawk especially is a lovely kit. Really nice panel lines. You want to do weathering and stuff like that, try it out on a kit like this. It's less than £7. Then do it on one of your fancy kits off your stash, having already tried the technique. If you've not made kits before, or the person you're buying them for has never made a kit before, they can be made really, really straightforwardly. I know because I've built all of them. Now, remember, these are in store from the 23rd of November, Thursday 23rd of November 2023, according to the Aldi website. Now, some stores may not have them available on the Thursday because of the stock rotation processes and shipping issues and stuff like that. So if you go on a Thursday, they're not there, have a quick chat with the staff to see if they've come in yet. If not, they will be there within a few days. That's my experience from last year, at least, trying to track down some of the kits. Finally, if you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you have, please do remember, give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, maybe subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for more news about offers, news about what's actually coming out in the model making world, and some builds and box openings as well. Thank you so very much for watching. Hope to see you again on the channel very soon. Take very good care now, and goodbye.